Assalomu alaykum do'stlar. Sizlar bilan Newgamer do'stlar, bugun biz Dilish akkauntimizda kuchaytiramiz. Anchadan beri video qo'ydim men. Akkauntim qaranglar kuchaygan. Mana futbolchigan shuni olmoqchiman. Men hali ukam Minecraft o'ynaydi. Hali ham video chiqaradi. Shuning uchun endi men Dilish haqida chiqaryapman do'stlar. Meni o'ynashimni bir ko'ringlar.
That's a rare pull pass from this skilled player. Here's Ødegaard.
Do'stlar, yaxshi pas.
Here's Thomas.
Matteo sokdi
He's
bizdan.
moving fast with the ball.
Ronaldo zarba va gol. Birinchi golimiz.
And his hard work and determination have paid off there as he finds himself on the
Mana golni ko'ringlar. Do'stlar, bu Arsenal komandasi juda kuchliroq.
an expert tackle.
Xatolar bo'lsa uzr. Anchadan video chiqarmay qo'yganimga.
Saliba with a tackle.
Saliba. PUBG haqida ham yaqinda video chiqaraman
It's
do'stlar.
Saka.
Do'stlar, shu narsaga like bosib obuna qo'yinglar, iltimos sizlardan.
Good goalkeeping.
Shu agar shu videoga 50 ta like bo'lsa, men shu Dilish narsani ikkinchi qismini chiqaraman.
A misplaced pass.
Iltimos kanalga obuna bo'lib like bosishni unutmanglar.
Oh, wayward pass. Normally he's so accurate with his distribution. He dribbles the ball forward. And this really
Push
takes the
ball
pressure
yaramış.
off the defence. The shot well blocked there.
Trossard, Baker, Saka, Çaldım.
Oh, awful challenge.
Vay, sariq berdi. Do'stlar, hozir ichcha kuchliroq ekan bu.
Really well there. They're moving the ball forward. He's broken through.
Messi'dan zarba va gol. Ikkinchi golimiz.
And Messi scores. He's managed to get on the score.
Buni ko'ringlar.
And that spur him to get even more.
Sizlarga qaysi biri futbolchi yoqadi? Ronaldo yoki Messi? Kommentariyada yozishni unutmanglar. Menga esa Ronaldo yoqadi. Keyin sizlarga qaysi klub yoqadi? Barselona yoki Real Madrid? Menga esa Real Madrid.
Strong tackle. That pass could have been better.
Milyato. Messi.
They've made the breakthrough. Here's a fantastic
Zarba
chance to
va
score.
ikkinchi golimiz Messi'dan. Double.
Second goal.
Ikkinchi gol.
Let's see the build-up which led to the goal.
Do'stlar, yarim ta'mini keyin chiqaraman. Do'stlar, mana Shomurodov ham bor. Mana Shomurodov mana 69. Ana o'yinni boshladik o'msam.
Is one they all want to win. What will unfold in the second half?
Noto'g'ri pas.
This is Martinelli.
Shomurodovdan.
Clumsy challenge. He's racing ahead with the ball.
James.
Quality defending there.
Messi.
That's nicely played. And he fires
Gol
wide
emas.
into the side netting.
Ichiga tepib yuboramiz. Donnarummadan.
Great understanding between this team. James with the ball.
Fay Messi.
He misjudged the pass.
Pas. Noto'g'ri pas.
That's a poor pass.
Lekin zo'r pas
Players
qo'ydi.
are looking tired, so changes are being made. He showed a bit too much to the opposition there. Surely now.
To'rtinchi golimiz. Lionel Messi'dan hat-trick.
In top form. He's been prolific today.
Mana golni ko'rishingiz mumkin. Ko'rishingiz mumkin.
This is Martinelli.
Valverde,
Valverde tackles.
Ronaldo,
Tries a long shot.
long shot,
There was
baqish
way
yo'q.
too much power on that shot. The fans are demanding more goals. This could turn into a
Ronaldo,
rout.
Ronaldo.
Will he go for
5-chi golimiz Ronaldodan.
that goal? His second of the match. This is Martinelli. He's putting in a player of the match performance. He's confident on the ball.
Shomurodov,
A strong challenge from Calafiori.
Havertz olib qo'ydi. To'pni Donnarummaga oshiramiz.
Oh, and dispossessed there.
Donnarumma ichiga pas. Long shot.
Lovely pass.
Ronaldo olib qo'yishni to'pni.
It's a cynical
Bashtra.
foul. The crowd
Gol
are cheering
sariq
the
berdi
player.
Ronaldoga.
It's a yellow card. No arguments there from the player. Careless pass there.
Do'stlar, xatolar bo'lsa uzr. Anchadan beri video
We're
chiqarmay
entering
qo'yganimga.
injury time. Saliba
Endi
with a
bundan
tackle.
boshlab har doim video chiqaraman va o'yin tugadi. Ronaldo bu narsada yutdi. Do'stlar, 50 ming berdi yutganimizga, 50 so'm. Mana do'stlar, tarkib. Mana ko'rib chiqishingiz mumkin. Levelim 31. Do'stlar, ketdi mana so'roq. Do'stlar, videomiz 7 minut bo'ldi. Endi keyingi narsani, keyingi videoni keyingi safar chiqaraman. Iltimos sizlardan like va obuna so'rayman. Iltimos, hozir ukam Minecraft video chiqarishi mumkin. Agar do'stlar 50 ta video bo'lsa, men shuni ikkinchi qismini chiqaraman. Do'stlar, sizlar bilan ko'rishguncha New Gamer bo'ldi.